I think we can all agree that spiders are pretty cool. But they're subject to a lot of urban legends. Let's look at a few pictures and try to decide what's real and what isn't. Of course, this camel spider photo is really well known. Although technically not a spider, this is a real image. Now this guy's technically not a spider either, but I'm not going to tell him that. This is a Japanese spider crab. Isn't it amazing looking? And apparently in Thailand and Cambodia, spiders are quite a delicacy when deep fried. Would you ever try one of these? Leave a comment below. So this next image is supposed to be an infected spider bite. Could this be real? Is this possibly real? Leave your comment below and let me know. I'm curious to hear from you. And did you know that it's not unheard of for a spider to kill a snake? Last but not least, tell me what you think of this spider photo. Is this one real? Let me know with a comment below. Alright, with that being said, thanks for subscribing. Make sure you click back regularly. We'll have new videos every week. Goodbye. Alright, Jesse, what do you think of Rest More?
Rest More, I was a little kind of skeptic in the beginning, but I've been taking it for about a month now. Definitely fall asleep really easy, but the cool thing is I wake up refreshed, don't feel groggy in the mornings. I'm able to work out, run like I normally do, but I stay sound asleep for a good 8 hours every night.
Awesome, thank you.
Rest More is an essential addition to your medicine cabinet for those times you need to fall asleep but can't. Remember, when you just need more rest, get Rest More. Now available on Amazon. Good night. Don't forget, if you like our content, then also check us out on Roku and Facebook. We'll put links below. Just check the description for links to our Facebook and Roku channels.